Hello again guys, in this quick video, I'll show you how to invite someone to WhatsApp. First, make sure that you installed your WhatsApp application in your mobile device. And once installed, just open or tap your WhatsApp application. And from here, you will see a chat icon located below. Just tap this icon. And there are three dots here located at the upper right corner. Just click or tap this, then choose invite a friend. And after that, you will see on your screen the different options. Just choose messages. And you will see here your conversation in your messages. If you want to choose what conversation or numbers or contacts here, you can choose it here. Or if you want, just tap this new message and type here the phone number of that person or your contact. Then after that, just send this invite link using this send icon. Okay, that's it guys on how to invite someone to WhatsApp. I hope this video helps you a lot. And keep following and subscribe to this channel for more video tips. Thank you guys.